go ahead as quickly as possible.
Ramon.
Thank you very much. Mr. Ramon Tremosa.
Moltes gràcies, senyor president.
Thank you very much, President.
I would like to denounce the deep economic crisis that the Catalan and the European nut sector suffer from several years ago. The continuous fall of the nut prices threatens the future of our European producers. I would like to warn you about the non-interventionist policy of the Turkish government. There are 500,000 tons of nuts stored by the public organism of nut purchase in Turkey. This organism wants to sell off these 500,000 nut tons in January of next year, 2010, according to what the Turkish authorities said at the bilateral meeting with the European Union last 2nd of October. Such a situation will seriously damage the European producers with a new dramatic drop of nut prices. I have recently asked the European Commission about this question 2 months ago, but any of the existing special safeguard dispositions will be applied to protect our producers. These are the worries I wanted to share with you.
Thank you very much. Mr. Petru Constantin Luhan.
Mulțumesc, domnule președinte, estimați colegi.
Thank you very much, President. Colleagues, as I'm sure you are aware, Romania would like to